Hey, what's going on, everybody? Justin from Blue Collar Survival. Welcoming all of you out there in the BCS Army. Today, we'll be going over the Ken Onion Work Sharpening, hatchets, and axes. So, we'll be going over that. This is part 3 of the Work Sharp series. So, let's go ahead and get into this. There is several ways you can go about sharpening the sharpening tools, axes, and other things on the Ken Onion. I'll be going over a couple of them. I'll be going over one way that I generally don't use, and I'll be going over my preferred mode. So first, we're going to go over the way I don't generally use. So if you do not have the blade grinder attachment, there is a way to sharpen axes. So you got your guide on here, and this just slips right off. Maybe. Slides right off. It's just on a track. So you get that out of there. There is a switch on this. You push down. Rotate the head. It will lock in. And you're going to want to use the coarsest one they offer you. So now we have it rotated. So this is what the machine looks like now. So basically, it's a handheld sharpener. Take your blade. And you just right up on the bevel. Let me see, you started working an edge. So yeah, so that's one way you can do it if you do not have the grinder attachment. This is a way you can still sharpen tools and axes and stuff, but I'm going to show you my preferred way. All right, so first things first, safety first, unplug the machine before you do this. And with that switch, you're going to want to rotate the head and it comes completely off. Grab your grinder attachment. Where the groove's at. Okay. It has a wheel it comes with that is reverse threaded. Alright. Alright, so then we're going to set our degree before I even put the belt on. There's a knob on the back here to loosen this. And you just, I think I'm going to go, we're going to go with a 30, I believe 35 will be alright for a hatchet. And you just tighten that back up. Alright, so this is what really helps when it comes to that. I have these belts here. I forget what grit they are, but they are extreme and will take knuckles off. And in order to put these on, go over that wheel, under that wheel, then over that, and then this is spring loaded. You just, now you're in. Now you want to check. Oh, all right, so plug back in. Also, safety first. So now, let's see. Our belt is off center, as you can see. There is a knob right here. All right, as you can see now, my belt is centered. So we will go ahead and get started on this. Now you can use the guide if you really want here, but I think for the most part you can just eyeball where your hatchet or axe is at. See, we're starting to get a real nice bevel on there now. And you know what? Just to party it up, we'll go ahead put a second bevel on there just to make it look nice. So now I'm going to do a 25-degree bevel on there. Well, there you go. Real quick. And you can, if you really want to purdy it up, I mean, even here, I can go one step, just a little bit, and we'll go with a little bit slightly finer grit. I do this with a lot of my customers. Oh, excuse me. I do this with a lot of my customers. I'll go ahead and I will throw on, you know, a nice mirror edge on their tools and what have you. Doesn't really serve anything to value, but it looks really nice when they see it, so they appreciate that. And honestly, I just love the feel of the freehand with this grinder attachment over the guided one. You just have so much more control of what's going on. There, we got a finished product. So yeah, in just a matter of minutes, we went from blunt and dull to a good edge. It's really hard to see. All right, so there you go. Knocked it out in no time. Minimal effort. Like I said, I prefer the grinder attachment. I love the free feel of it. All right, guys. Well, that's it for part 3. I will have part 4 coming up soon. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything you guys are interested in me doing an episode on. I will get on working on that. I want to get a bunch of episodes. I know there's different questions and troubleshooting things that I could get into with you guys. You know, a lot of people are looking into buying this. It's the holiday season, and they want to know if it's worth spending their hard-earned money. So let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely try to address anything that you guys have. All right, it's Justin for Blue Collar Survival. Guys, stay safe.